Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Yale Assure lock setup with Yale Access, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Yale Assure lock is already installed and functioning correctly. Next, download the Yale Access app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Yale Access app and sign in or create a new account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard of the app. Select the Add a Lock option to start the transfer process. Choose the option to transfer an existing lock from your account. Follow the prompts to select your Yale Assure lock from the list of devices. Next, you will be asked to enter the lock's unique setup code. This code can usually be found on the back of your lock or in the original packaging. After entering the setup code, the app will establish a connection with your lock. Once connected, follow any additional prompts to complete the transfer. Ensure that both your smartphone and the Yale lock are close to each other during this process. After the transfer is complete, you will receive a confirmation message in the app. Your Yale Assure lock is now successfully set up with Yale Access. To test the setup, try locking and unlocking your door through the app. If all functions work correctly, your setup is complete. If you encounter any issues, consult the troubleshooting section in the Yale Access app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.